Hello friends, hope you all are doing well. Our Sales Master Training section will help you to achieve greater result in your career. Let us learn some important sales tips. Do you know the first step to persuading someone? You have to listen. Everyone has a different learning style, a different sense of humor, different wants, different needs, different goals. You can't use the same sales strategy on everyone and expect it to work. Instead, you have to tailor your approach to each individual. Listening is the only way to learn who you're working with. Listening shows interest and builds trust. Hope you practice this. Let us talk about new sales tips in next video. Kindly like and subscribe our channel.